Hey, welcome back. This is Max May DC with Ebi, and Ebenezer is here to guide you on set language. So, let's get started. So, what do you mean by set? Let's see these two pictures. This is a picture of biscuits, and this is a fruit basket. So, here, what are all the biscuits we have here? So, it's Britannia Top, Time Pass, and Pure Magic, Jim Jam, Bourbon, Good Day, Marigold, Nutri-Choice, Nice Time, Little Hearts, Nutri-Choice, and we have Milky Bikis, Tiger, Treat Biscuit, and it's Rusk, and it's Cake, Chunkies, and Nutri-Choice. So this table consists of biscuits, right? This table consists of a number of biscuits, and in the other hand we have a fruit basket. So in this fruit basket we have grapes, we have apples, we have oranges, we have pears, and we have bananas. So what is the mathematical way to represent these two? We can represent these things as mathematically. Can you even believe that? So that is actually set. Set is the method of writing well defined objects, or one can define a set as a well defined objects. Let's see what does that phrase well defined means. So let's consider these examples. So here we see number one is collection of natural numbers. So we know that natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So anywhere in the world, when you ask a person, he would say natural number starts from 1, right? Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on, right? So anywhere in the world, you say natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. And the next example is collection of English alphabets. So English alphabets range from A, B, C, D up to it goes on to Z. So it has 26 letters in English alphabet. But anywhere in the world you ask even a LKG baby or even a 70-year-old, he would say English alphabet starts from A, B, C and up to Z. So English alphabets contain 26 letters, right? So the definition of English alphabet does not change, and the definition of natural numbers does not change anywhere. But come to the third example, the collection of good students in the class. So the definition of good student actually remains unknown here. For example, one teacher can say a good student as just a high mark person, or one can say good student by his or her discipline. So good student actually lacks definition here. So collection of good students in the class cannot be a set, whereas 1 and 2 can be set. Coming to the fourth one, collection of states in a country. So obviously India has 29 states, and anywhere in the world you have that same 29 states. Anywhere in the world, the collection of states in India will be 29. So that can be put as a set, but whereas collection of beautiful flowers in the garden lacks definition. So beautiful flowers cannot be actually defined. It varies from a person to person. So collection of beautiful flowers in a garden cannot be regarded as set. So here 1, 2 and 4 can be regarded as set because they are well defined. So now you could know the definition of well defined. So how will you represent a set? So a set is denoted by capital letters of English alphabets, or one can represent a set by using Greek letters too, but the usual way to represent a set is actually by English alphabets, that too a capital one. And the element of the set is written with the curly brackets. So one must use a curly bracket while writing a set. So elements are nothing but members of the set. For example, if you take the letters of English alphabets, so A, B, C, D are actually called as the elements of the set. So if you take an element X, or if you take any element of one set, we could write that as X belongs to A. That is, let's consider that the set A is the set of all English alphabets. So or if you take X is an element of English alphabets, and we write that X belongs to English alphabets. But alpha is considered to be a Greek letter, so it's not a element of the English alphabet. So if 1 is not an element of an English alphabet, we write that as X does not belong to A, or by this example we can write that as alpha does not belong to A. So these are all the notations which we would see while defining a set. So we shall see some of the examples. So here is a dice. So a die actually contains 6 faces, with each face containing number of dots. So it contains 6 faces with dots in each side varying from 1 to 6. So one can write the set of die or set die as D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So anywhere in the world, this die actually contains just the 6 elements alone. So, and regarding the members of this set, so 1 belongs to D. So we have 1 here, so 1 belongs to D, and we have 3 belongs to D, and we have 6 belongs to D. Obviously 0 and 7 does not belong to this set, so 0 does not belong to D and 7 does not belong to D. So that's all for set. We'll be seeing in detail about set in the next video. Bye bye, take care.